So welcome guys, today we are going to talk about this 2004 model of Toyota. It's the Toyota made in 2004. A manual transmission. That is the clutch. That is the brake. That is the gas. When this vehicle came into, when they were being manufactured, they manufactured the petrol one. Most people used to love the petrol vehicle since it didn't require to warm the radiator. The diesel one, you had to boil water in the morning and pour hot water in the radiator so that it could start. It could not start on a cold day without warm water, hot water in the radiator. So you had to empty the radiator of cold water and fill the radiator with hot water.